Hey guys, welcome back to Scarberry TV. Today we'll be making deviled eggs. So first things first, what we gotta do is wash our hands so we don't get germs in our food. Now what we're gonna do is put the eggs in the cold water and then turn on the oven and let the eggs boil in the hot water for 10 minutes. So now we're gonna put the eggs in. Now that our eggs are done boiling, now what we're going to do is take our pot to the sink and fill the pot up with cold water until the water gets cold. Now that our eggs are at the sink, now what we're going to do is turn on the cold water and let it run until the hot water is cold. Now that our pot is full with cold water, now what we can do is take each egg and crack it on the side and put it back into the pot so that way the shell, it comes off of the eggshell. Now that our eggs are done soaking in the cold water for a while, now what we're going to do is peel the shells off the eggs. And this is my favorite part, is peeling. Now that all of our shells are off our eggs, now what we're going to do is divide them for our macaroni salad and our deviled eggs. So for example, this one would be for our deviled eggs because we want the good ones for our deviled eggs. And then for an example for the macaroni salad one, we would want the bad ones like this one. So now we're going to go ahead and divide them. Now that our eggs are done separating, what we're going to do is take these ones and then cut them in half, and then the white's what's going to be over here, and we're going to get out the yellow for our mixture. Now that we're done separating the yellow from the white eggs, now what we're going to do is add the dry ingredients, which is salt, Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, some paprika, and then some sugar. And then when I'm done with that. So now that I'm done telling you the mixtures that we're going to put in it, is we're going to mix this down hard like that. And it should turn into like a really flaky type of seasoning, type what looks like a seasoning. Now that we're done adding our dry ingredients and mixing up our mixture, now what we're going to do is add the mustard and then the classic whip. Now that we're done adding all the stuff, we're going to try it because we don't have any measurement or anything. So I'm going to try. Perfect. And you never want to put your spoon back in the dip that you're going to share with everyone. So now we're done mixing my mixture. Now what we're going to do is add the yellow mixture onto the eggs. So all you're going to do is take 2 spoons, get some on, just do that. That's done. I'm going to do that. You're going to want to do that to all of them. And then once you're done with doing all of them, you're going to want to put the paprika on top of it. Now that we're done with the mixture and putting it in the eggs, now what we're going to do, well, it looks a little sloppy, but who cares? So next what we're going to do is put the paprika, and that's what makes everything. Now we're gonna sit down and try one. My favorite part.